So today we are looking at Akwa Ibom, Uyo versus Ebonyi, Abakaliki at night, a spectacular journey into the beauty of these two cities. So we'll start our journey from Ebonyi, Abakaliki at night. Let's embark on a journey to Ebonyi's pride, Abakaliki, where the night unveils a different kind of charm. The cityscape, illuminated by a gentle glow, paint a serene and picturesque scene. Abakaliki whispers stories of history and modernity in every illuminated building and bustling street. Experience the magic of Abakaliki's night cruise, where the reflections of city light on the tranquil street as we glide along the road. Take in the serenity and marvel at the seamless blend of nature and urban allure that makes Abakaliki a captivating destination. Now let's take a look at the Uyo Akwa Ibom state at night. As the sun dips below the horizon, Uyo transforms into a breathtaking spectacle of lights. The city skyline comes alive with a dazzling array of colors, reflecting the vibrant spirit of Akwa Ibom. Take in the panoramic views as we glide over the city's iconic landmarks, capturing the essence of Uyo at night. Step into the heart of Uyo's cultural night, where the lively atmosphere and the aroma of local delicacies fill the air. Stroll through the vibrant stores adorned with twinkling lights, offering a kaleidoscope of colors and flavors that define the city's rich culture. In conclusion, the nightscapes of Uyo, Akwa Ibom, and Abakaliki Ebonyi are a testament to the diverse beauty Nigeria has to offer. Each city tells a unique story through its illuminated streets, cultural richness, and the warm spirit of its people. Thank you for joining me on this visual journey of Akwa Ibom, Uyo, and Ebonyi, Abakaliki at night. If you have not subscribed to this channel, click on the subscribe and the notification button below so that when we post a new video, you can be notified. Until next time, may your nights be as vibrant and beautiful as these two extraordinary Nigerian cities. Thank you and see you in our next video.